everyone! Today we are learning a song by the title 珍爱大自然. It means cherish the nature. 珍爱 means cherish and 大自然 means nature. So this song is quite simple because there is only 3 or 4 sentences, but it's just repeating by itself. The Chinese words might look like it's very difficult, but don't worry, I will explain it as we do the sign language together. The first sentence is 高高青山水弯弯蓝蓝蓝天云缓缓高高青山 it means the high green mountain. So you just use your hand, your right hand, to draw the mountain up like that and down. So it's like you draw a triangle, a V shape up your head and then down. Okay, 高高青山水弯弯水弯弯 means the water bay that is curvy. Okay, so you put your hand like that. Okay, 3 fingers facing out. From the top, you move slowly curvy down like that. Okay, so 水弯弯. Okay, your hand move like that. 3 fingers facing out and move slowly down. Okay, so 蓝蓝蓝天 it means the clear blue sky. So your left hand in front of your face. Okay, you move outwards. Okay, you move outwards towards the left. From the right, move to right. From the right, move to the left. Okay, your palm facing out. 蓝蓝蓝天. Okay, so 云缓缓 means the cloud is moving slowly. Okay, so the cloud moving slowly, how you do it? Okay, your right hand at the top and your left hand at the bottom. You draw the clouds above your head. Okay, above your head. So 云缓缓 like that. Okay, so the cloud move from the left side and then you draw the clouds turning to the right side. Okay, so now let's repeat the first sentence. 高高青山水弯弯蓝蓝蓝天云缓缓高高青山水弯弯蓝蓝蓝天云缓缓 Okay, simple, right? The next sentence is 绿绿森林风转转还有动物满心欢绿绿森林 it means the green forest. Okay, in the green forest there's big trees, right? So how do you do the green forest? Okay, you have to put your hand like that. Okay, this one is the tree trunk. Okay, this is the tree trunk and this is the leaves and the tree branches. So it's not even. You can't put even like that. You have to put uneven your hand. So now it looks like the forest. Okay, 绿绿森林 just move it twice in front of yourself like that. Okay, 绿绿森林绿绿森林 Okay, so this one is the forest. Okay, 风转转风转转 when the wind is moving, just gently both hands above your head, left and right like that. Okay, 风转转 the wind is moving. Okay, 还有动物满心欢 it means there are still animals. There's also animals in the forest that is very happy. So the animals are moving, right? They are always moving, right? So you have to turn your hand like that in circles. 还有动物 Okay, 满心欢 means happy. So you put your palm facing yourself, okay, like that. And you move your palm left and right, up and down like that. Okay, this is the sign language for happy. Okay, so let's repeat this sentence. 绿绿森林风转转还有动物满心欢 Okay, so now we repeat again the first sentence. 高高青山水弯弯蓝蓝蓝天云缓缓 Okay, so 高高青山 You draw the mountain, remember? 高高青山水弯弯蓝蓝蓝天云缓缓 So the next sentence is again a repeat. 绿绿森林风转转 Now is the last sentence. 我要珍爱大自然 It means I want to cherish the nature. 我要珍爱大自然。Okay, so 我 right hand first, and then left. 我要珍自然。我要珍爱大自然。Okay, now shall we practice together with the song? Let's do it together.